What is going on, traders? It's James here from Celestin Capital, and welcome to episode 15 of the challenge series. Sad to say, guys, the challenge series is over. Yes, I said it. The challenge series is over, but it's in a positive way. It is in a positive way, guys. What do I mean by that? What do I mean it's over in a positive way? How could something be over in a positive way? You guys saw me at 9%, almost 9% drawdown yesterday. How is it over in a positive way? Well, if you guys watched the last video, I took this GU trade and I placed a 10 lot. So I was risking about 1.2, 1.3% on this trade, which was basically the rest of the remainder of my account because I was in drawdown about 8.7, almost 9%, which means I had about 1% or so before I actually lost my account. And I took this trade. I dropped a 10 lot, which is $100 per pip if you don't know. Again, about 1.2% based on a stop loss. Stop loss was about 12, 13 pips. And as you guys can see, TP was hit, guys. TP was hit. For how many pips? It was about 85, 87 pips. Don't believe me? Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. And guess where we are? We are currently in profit, guys. We are in profit. We dug out of the ditch and we made it into profit. Let me show you the account history. Take a look at this. TP smash for 8.8K profit. Now, I wish this would have happened when we started the challenge. This would have been beautiful when we started the challenge. We would have been up 8%. But now we are currently back to break even. I'm not mad about it, but I wish this would have happened when we actually started the challenge. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We are back in profit. Let me show you the account metrics as a matter of fact. Let me reload this so you don't think this is fake. So we were in drawdown. Look at this. 8.6%. And we were allowed to draw down up to 10%. So we were super close to losing our account. Let me show you this. Pass. These don't matter. This is what matters right here. The profit target. We are only in drawdown, or excuse me, we are in profit $168, guys. So we went from being in drawdown 8.6% to now we are back to break even. Basically, we are back in a little bit of profit, which means what? Which means we get a free retry on the challenge. So when I said this was the end at the beginning of the video, I mean that I'm no longer going to be trading this account. I'm going to instead of actually, because as you see here, the account ends February 8th, which means we have about 7 trading days left before this challenge ends. And now I know I made almost 9% in one day, but guys, that is not sustainable. That's not feasible. That's not something that's going to happen every day. It's not sustainable, as I said. So what I'm going to do, rather than risking the profit that I have, rather than risking the free retry that I get to take. Now, this would have been different if FTMO didn't allow me to have a free retry. But because FTMO is allowing a free retry if you are in profit, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to trade. I'm going to let this run out. I'm not going to trade the rest of this account duration. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the free retry and I'm going to start over again in March. All right, so I'm going to take all of February to hone in on my skills, to hone in on to refine my trading strategy, and I'm going to come back stronger, guys. I'm going to come back stronger, and we are going to pass this challenge. So we went from being 8.6% in drawdown to back in profit. And so because we only have about 7 trading days left, I'm not going to risk this profit since we get to take the retry for free. Now, again, as I said, if we didn't get to take the retry for free, I would have gone balls to the wall and I would have just loaded the lots just like I did yesterday and risked 1% to 1.5% per trade. But because we get a free retry and we only have 7 trading days left, I'm not going to risk it. I'm just going to, I'm not going to call it an L. It's just not a W. It's just not a W. It's not an L. It's not a W. It's somewhere in between. If that makes sense to you guys, it makes sense. If it doesn't, try to make sense of it. I'm not gonna trade this because I want to get the free retry. So with that being said, thank you guys for sticking with me throughout this series. Don't worry, I'm gonna be posting videos in between of me analyzing certain trades, and I'm still gonna be trading my live account, just not FTMO account. All right, I'm gonna show you guys me taking trades on my live account. And yeah, I'm gonna document everything. I'm still gonna be posting videos. Don't think this is the end of me posting videos. No, it's not. I'm still gonna be posting videos. So thank you guys once again for sticking with me through this journey. And it's not over. It's not over. We're just getting started because I've got big plans for this year, and I'll see you guys. I'll let you guys know once I manifest these things into reality. I don't want to let you guys know and for it not to come true. I'm gonna let it come true first, and then I'm gonna tell you guys about it. I want to show you guys how I manifested my desires into reality. So yeah, thank you guys once again for the third time for sticking with me. And yeah, this is the end of this challenge series. But we'll be back in March with the free retry. And we're going to come back stronger. We're going to come back smarter. We're going to come back more emotionally intelligent. Not that my emotions were all over the place, but I feel like I could have handled myself a lot better than I did. I've been practicing meditation the past few months, and I'm gonna do more of it as the time goes on throughout February and going into March and to continue on. So yeah, we'll be back, guys. I'm just gonna show you guys a trade that I'm taking on my live account. I'm currently in this GU sell right now. The reason I took this sell is because if we look back, we see there's liquidity that was taken out, equal highs that were taken out, and then price just dropped from here. So what are we expecting? We expected price to come back, retrace from this point somewhere around here. I showed you guys that I marked this up the other day, or I think it was last week, where I expected price to retrace from. It retraced from there, and we were able to catch the buy opportunity up on this. This one right here was just a forward test. This is where we actually got in on this trade right here, and this is what allowed us to go back and profit on our FTMO account. And so we see price mitigated, right? We see price mitigated, and it started breaking structure to the downside. And as it broke structure to the downside, we see a swing high left behind. So we went down to a lower time frame, and we got in on the mitigation of the swing high. I'm expecting price to continue up a little bit, but ultimately I'm expecting it to drop to fill in the imbalance that is, where's 15 minute? That is right here, fill in this imbalance. I'm actually expecting price to continue down. I may leave a small position running, but yeah, this is ultimately my main target, this imbalance right here. I'm expecting price to at least get to here before it either continues dropping or reverses and sells from here. So if price actually breaks the swing high that you see right here, it's actually the swing high, then I'm expecting bullishness on GU. But for now, I'm expecting bearishness to continue on GU. So yeah, that's currently what I've got, and I'm gonna show you my live account. I'm currently in the trade right now, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'll give you guys an update whenever something happens. I'm gonna look at some other trades and see what I can catch. Right now, gold is in my sell zone, not looking bad at all. I'm gonna see if I can uh, find more structure, find better structure, see what kind of structure is going on. We see a break of structure right here, a swing high. I may get in on this right here. This looks pretty nice. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to get in right here on the swing high. And yeah, it looks pretty good. So we see liquidity up here. Let me actually do this. See equal highs taken out. Same thing with GU. And then we've got a continuation of sells. So that's currently what I'm looking at on gold. I'm going to take this trade. Right now, I'm back testing silver. You see silver on my screen. I'm back testing that right now. And yeah, or forward testing actually. Forward testing that. And I'll give you guys updates whenever something happens. Take a look at silver real quick. Did this just freeze? What's going on? All right, I'm expecting US 30 to continue up and sell from this supply zone that I have marked up here. It may give us a nice stop hunt where we can get into a buy, but ultimately I'm expecting it to go up here and sell from here, give us some kind of structure, and to continue down. GCAD. Oh, GCAD tapped nicely into here. Wow. So I'm going to save this as a forward test for the future because this was pretty nice. I didn't take this trade live. This was just a forward test. So I'm going to save this actually. And yeah, I'll be back with you guys in a sec. Here's what we're currently looking at, guys. I'm in this GCAD sell. So far looking good. I'm expecting it to go down and clear this imbalance that you see. We've got a ton of imbalance down here. I'm expecting it to fill all this in. So I may even target this low right here, somewhere around here to fill in this imbalance. Right now, as I said, it's doing good. I got stopped out of this first GU sell, but I'm looking for a re-entry. Once price breaks the swing low, I'm looking for something like this to continue down. If this candle breaks below here, then I'm gonna get in on this on the mitigation of this order block that you see, or this supply zone, whichever way you want to call it. So I'm just waiting for candle to break below this low right here, the swing low right here, and then I'll get in on the entry of this order block. In terms of gold, still waiting for gold to come up a little bit. It may or may not come up. You guys can say I missed this entry. Should have taken it, but no big deal. Looking for price to come back up at least to this high up here. I'm not going to force anything just because the stop loss is too big. Stop loss is about 20 pips. So I'm really not trying to force anything. Let me show you guys that I'm in the GCAD trade on my live for GCAD. Currently in it right here, as you see. So yeah, we're looking to take that all the way down. So we got GU breaking lows, so we're getting ready to get in a little bit. So this is what we want to see. We want to see a break of this low right here in order to get in. So that's looking good so far. I'm about to set an entry in pretty soon. Yeah, so this is looking good. Beautiful. So I'm going to get in right here. You guys are going to see this in action. So I'm setting my entry right there. I'm just wait. I just want this to close below. If it doesn't close below, I'm not going to get in. If it does, then I'm going to get in. So I'm going to put my entry about right here. So I'm hoping this candle closes below so we can enter the market right on this line right here. Or actually right here. Just waiting for the market to close. 15 seconds. I'll be back in a little bit, guys, and show you guys that I entered this trade if the candle closes below that line. We are currently in the market, guys. We actually decided to enter a little early, right around here, just so we don't miss out on this trade. But it's nothing but 2 or 3 pips, 2 or 3 pip difference from where we wanted to enter. So yeah, we're expecting price to mitigate from here and continue to the downside. Gold, it looks like it's coming back up, so I'm getting ready to sell that. GCAD looking good. US 30. No, this was bad. Price rejected off of here, or excuse me, rejected off swing low down here, and I'm expecting it to actually continue up to the upside. So we'll see how that works out. And yeah, give you guys an update on the trade in a few minutes. I'm getting ready to go to school, so I'll be back with you guys as soon as I get back. I'm officially back with an update, guys. My bad. I came from school about 2 hours ago, but I had to go to the gym, so I couldn't give you guys an update then. We got stopped out at break even on GCAD. We set our stops at break even once price broke this low, I think it was, or this low right here. And so we got stopped at our break even. Good thing we went to break even because price would have hit our stop loss. GU, nothing, no sales today. I was expecting sales. If we would have held this buy though, this buy would have been nice. I was expecting it to sell from here. But yeah, no big deal. US 30 bought up like crazy. We missed out on this buy. Well, we got stopped out on this buy. And I took a gold trade. Right now we're in profit. Let me show you guys that. It's a USD. We are currently in profit, waiting for it to hit TP. It got super close to TP. It was about 15, 20 pips away. I think that's, well, not 50, actually, that's 7 pips. Wow. 7 pips away from hitting our TP, guys. I'm hoping it doesn't come back in and stop us up. But yeah, that's currently where we are right now. And that's the end of the video. I'm going to give you guys an update on this trade in the next video. Again, we are done with FTMO for now. We are officially done with FTMO for now. We're just gonna write out the days, and get our free retry. But I'm gonna start the free retry in March. So I'll be back to posting every single day on my journey in March. Well, I'm still debating on whether I want to post my journey or give you guys the after result of my journey. So I'll let you guys know in upcoming videos. And yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful trading day, trading year, trading decade, whatever it is. And peace out, guys. See you in the next one. This is sayonara for now. See you in the next one. Peace.